Hello, so today I want to show you guys DFS Algorithm Simulation. So here we can see that for our DFS Algorithm Simulation, our starting node is 1 for this given graph, and we will be needing the data structure stack for our DFS Algorithm Simulation. So as our starting node is 1, so we will write 1 over here, and we will draw a new tree, that is our DFS spanning tree. So 1 we have written over here. So let's see from 1 where we can go. We can go from 1 to 2 and 4. So let us go to 2 from 1 first. So let's go to 2. And similarly in this diagram over here we will also write 2. Now for our next step we will see 2, but before seeing 2 we have to see from where 2 has come. 2 has come from 1, so we will keep that 1 in the stack. Okay, so let's look for 2 now. So from 2 where we can go? We can go to 5, 7, 3, right? So let us choose 5. So let us give 5 over here, and also in the tree we will draw 5. So now we will see 5, but before seeing 5 we see that 5 came from 2, so 2 will be pushed in the stack. Next we will see 5. So from 5 where which nodes we can go to? We can go to 6, 7. So let us go to node number 6. So node number 6, in the diagram as well we will draw node number 6. Now we will see node number 6, and for that node 6 has came from 5, so we will push 5 in stack. Okay, now from node 6 in which nodes we can go? We can go to 7, right? So let us go to 7. And we will also write 7 over here. Now we will see node number 7. For that we can see that node number 7 came from 6, and 6 will be pushed in the stack. Now let's see, from node 7 can we go to any other nodes? No new nodes can be visited. So we are kind of stuck, right? So let's see if all the hands of 7 of this graph and this graph is matched. We can see that 7 node has 3 hands over here, whereas 7 has only 1 hand over here. So we will connect the rest of the hands of 7 with a dotted line. Why dotted line? Because we have seen the nodes earlier. So from node 7 we can go to node number 5. So we give a dotted line over here, and from 7 we can also go to 2. So we can see that node 7 hands are balanced, and from node 7 we can go to elsewhere. So we are kind of stuck. So from where we can get our next step of our DFS? We will look at the stack top. In the stack top we have 6. So we will cut this 6 and see from 6 where we can go to. From 6 we can go to 2 nodes, 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are already visited, right? And 5 or 7 are also present in the graph as well. I'm talking about the hands, right? So as it's present, so 6, the work of 6 is already done. Let's now, so about our next step of DFS, where we can go, where we will see the stack top. In the stack top, we are seeing that it is pointing towards 5. So let's cut 5 and see from 5 where we can go to. From 5, we can see that from 5 we can go to 6, 7 and 2, and all these are already present. So let's see if all the hands are also present. So 5 has 3 hands over here, 2, 6 and 7, and 2, 6, 7. We can see that 2, 7, 6, all the hands are present in this graph as well. So node 5 has been also completely explored. Let's for our next step of DFS we will check the stack top. Now it is showing node number 2. Let's cut it from this stack. So let's see from 2 where we can go to. From 2 we can go to 5, already visited. From 2 we can go to 7, already visited. We can go to a new node 3. So let's draw 3 over here, and also in our DFS visit 3 will come over here. Okay, so now we will see node number 3. So for seeing node number 3, we have to push the node from where 3 has came. 3 came for node number 2, so let's push 2 over here. Okay, don't confuse it with this 2. This 2 is already cut, that means it's vanished from the stack. Cutting from the stack means it's no more present in the stack. Okay, cutting or removing it or erasing it, it's all the same. Okay, so from 3, where we can go to? From 3 we can go to 8 and 9. So let's go to 8 first. Here we go to 8. And so now we will visit 8. So 8 came from which node? Node number 3. So let's push that in the stack. Okay. So now we will see node number 8. So from node 8, can we go anywhere? No, we can't go anywhere from node 8. So node 8 is completely visited. And also the node 8 has only one hand, it's present here as well. So we will go back to stack top. Stack top says here that go back to 3. So we will cut 3 from here. We will come back to 3. From 3, where we can go to? From 3, we can go to node number 9. So from 3 we go to node number 9, and also 9 will be written in our DFS result as well. So now we will explore 9, right? So we will have to push that node from which 9 has came. So we will push 3 over here and explore 9. From 9, can we go anywhere? No. And also 9 has only one hand, that's present in here as well. So we're again stuck. From 9 we can go nowhere. So let's come back to stack top, and from stack top we can see that it's showing us 3. So we cut 3 over here. So from 3, where else can we go? There is a one node left. What is that? That is node number 4. So we will see node number 4. So let's see node number 4. We got a new node, so write it over at the DFS. Okay, so now we will see node number 4. Okay, so for seeing node number 4, we will push from where it came from the stack. So from where it came, so 3 will be pushed in the stack. Okay, let's see 4. From 4, where we can go to? From 4 we can go to 1. 1 is already in the graph present, so we will give a dotted line as it is present already. So we can see that 4 has 2 hands. One is connected with 3, another is with 1, and both the hands are present. So 4 is completely explored. So 4 is done, and from 4 we can go to nowhere. So we are again stuck. Come back to stack top, cut node number 3. From 3, can we go anywhere? Let's see all the hands. So checking all the hands, we can understand if we have visited all the nodes as well. Node 3 we can go to 2, this hand is present. Node 3 we can go to 8, this hand is present. Node 3 we can go to node 9, this is also present. From node 3 we can go to node 4, that hand is also present. So 3 is completely explored. So we are again stuck. So now where we can go to? We will see the stack top. Stack top is showing node number 1. So let's cut node number 1 and see if all the hands of node 1 is visited or not. From node 1 we can go to node 2 and node 4. Both the hands are present, so our stack is now emptied and our new DFS spanning tree is present over here. This right here is the DFS result, and this tree that we have constructed, let me write the name. We will call this DFS spanning tree. DFS spanning tree. So that's it from the DFS algorithm simulation. Thank you.